Iceberg Jim, back at y'all with another one. And this is a review of the orange chicken at Panda Express. This is my first time having the orange chicken at Panda Express. Now, I've been to Panda Express on several occasions, and usually I would get the teriyaki in terms of meat, or the pepper steak, honey, sesame chicken kind of thing, but I never had an orange chicken. Now, I've tried an orange chicken not too long ago at a Chinese carry-out local establishment, which all carry-outs are essentially those little local establishments in the shopping center kind of thing. And the orange chicken wasn't my thing. But since everyone claims on the internet Panda Express is the best orange chicken, why not try it? And I may have had orange chicken at a buffet before, but I'm really not sure. But in terms of Panda Express, I haven't had it, and I haven't really knowingly had an enjoyable orange chicken experience. So there you have it. Orange chicken, Panda Express. Got the small version of it because I just wanted to try it. Smells good. And we'll see if it'll be something I'll be getting again. Even think they were fancy enough to have orange peels in it. Anyways, this is what it is. And I'm going in. Okay. This is good stuff. Better than anything I had at a Chinese carryout. Or maybe I went to the wrong kind of carryout. But I like how the chicken is tender, not too chewy. Still maintain the savoriness with a hint of that orangeness to it. This is good stuff. Something I'll definitely get again. So I've been missing out. I'm impressed with this. Exactly what I wanted. Savory, a little sweetness, a little hint of that fruitiness to it. In terms of that orange. Oh yeah. Wow. So yeah, just every time I get with the teriyaki or the pepper steak or what have you, I'll be happy about it. So yeah, my first time trying the orange chicken at Panda Express. Panda Express Chinese chicken. Chinese kitchen, excuse me. Iceberg Jim out. Deuces. Good stuff. Deuces.